How are you? I hope you're doing all fine today. Today we're going to draw an interesting flower. Its name is Snowdrop. For this drawing, let's start the stick first. So this is the stick which is holding the flower from the top. The stick is coming to the bottom, starting from the top here. And on top of it, the part of the stick is bending to downward. It's like the table lamp in some cases, and ending with a holder. From the holder we see that extended parts of the petal are downward. Two petals on the side, one is on the left side, another one is on the right side. So this is the little elaboration. Then the leaf, you see, it's kind of taller like this, and the line we draw here, the curved line continues crossing the stick on the other side, end up with another leaves, as you see that I'm drawing here, and another line I'm drawing here connecting to the previous one, and we extend the top part like a little curved line. Then we start from here, the line progress to the bottom and end up here. All right, so the drawing is almost done. Now we're going for the details of the color. Let's put the green color for the stick here. All right, we're putting green, you see. The darker shade for the holder of the petals, you see here. Dark green for the leaves. For detailing purpose, it's like so many parallel racks along with the leaves. The lines are progressing upward like this and bended on top like this. Then we can put the lighter shades of the green and make the variations for the leaves. The pattern along with the leaves are a little interesting, as you see here. It has a special types of texture. This is the main one, and another one in the bottom, the supporting part of the leaves, previous one. Then we draw the last leaves here like this. The color on the leaves is complete. Now we're going to draw the flower. Let's start detailing from here. So we put the darker shade in the middle. Lots of light strokes, as you see here. So when you do the practice, do like me. Okay. We're going to put shades for the left one and more shades to the right one here. Let's put the red from the opposite part of the drawing, so the flowers looks interesting as you see here. And a bluish shade in the middle. All right, so this is the ground. We can say the drawing is almost complete. I hope you guys like follow all the steps as I show here. You can do the practice. The more you practice, the more it's going to be perfect, and in some cases it can be better than this one. So keep doing this and watch my channel. Please subscribe the channel if you like the videos. The next videos and updates are going to be more interesting. Stay with us. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.